Hi, I'm Mike Harvey, County Borough Council of Coedfranc North in Skewen, where yesterday a major incident was declared here in Skewen after at least 8 streets were flooded following heavy localised rainfall in the area. Firstly, my own thoughts and the thoughts of the council are with those who've been affected by these dreadful events, and the community here in Skewen stands together to help these poor people who've been affected as such devastating damage caused their homes and property. A multi-agency coordination group was set up to coordinate the emergency response and help support residents affected by the flooding. This included response teams from Neath Talbot Council, Mid and West Wales Fire and Rescue Service, South Wales Police, National Resources Wales and the Coal Authority. Some 80 residents had to be evacuated from their properties. Emergency services worked throughout the night and of course remain at the scene as we speak now. All those families and individuals who were affected and were evacuated were found accommodation and were made safe. South Wales Police are currently the lead coordinators here on site. The Coal Authority also involved in the investigation into what caused this flooding, which happened on the side of Drummer Mountain. The water levels continue to be monitored and measures have been put in place to pump it away and to control the flow of water. And everyone involved is doing all they can to make this area safe again before the extensive clean-up operation can begin. I know residents affected are eager to get back to their homes, and all partners and agencies are working together to allow this to happen as soon as possible and as soon as it's safe. Safety is everyone's top priority, and I'm just so relieved that nobody was injured during this incident. My thanks go out to all emergency services, council staff, residents and the community. Residents affected can call the council's helpline on 01639 686868. We've also set up a dedicated web page containing information, updates and advice at npt.gov.uk/Skewen. I'd also like to praise finally the Salvation Army, and they've set up a fundraising page, and details of that will be on the council's web page. My thoughts go to with all the residents and people of the area affected, and I'll do all I can as councillor to get things back to normal. If I can help anybody, please give me a ring. Thank you.